Everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. We'll be starting off with combinations. Okay, I believe till permutations, everybody is clear with permutations topic. Yes or no? Kindly confirm. If you are still having some doubts regarding permutations, now we'll be doing it in the chapter in the miscellaneous exercise. So you'll get one more opportunity to revise yourself. Okay. So don't worry if bit of difficulty you're facing in permutations. Chalo, now combinations. I would expect you all to copy down this and write a statement. Meaning of NCR. I'm telling the meaning once more. Take care of the meaning of the NCR. NCR basically means selection of R elements from N. Question clear? Is the statement clear? The definition? This is not basically the definition, basically the meaning. Okay? It means that you are selecting R items from N items. Is it clear? If I say 15C11, this basically means from a group of 15 I am going to select 11. So how will we solve that? We will be writing it as factorial 15 divided by factorial 15 minus 11 and factorial 11. Any doubts? Yes or no, sir? Please copy down this statement and we'll move on to our exercise. A very important property I would want you to write. Okay, NCN, this thing is equals to 1. NC0, this thing is equals to N. And if we have NCA is equals to NCB, then we can say that N is equals to A plus B. These three things needs to be written properly. Please copy this down. These three things are very important. Based on this, you will surely be getting one question in your exams. Okay? Let me know when the copying is done. I'm pausing the video. Kindly. Please, everybody kindly confirm if you are done with the copying part or not. Done, everyone? Only one human has said me done. All the others humans in the class, all the XX and the XY chromosomes. One XY chromosome has come late for the class. Sorry, XX chromosome. These are your 8 mate plates. I've got only 2 yeses. 3, 4, 5, 6. Chalo then, moving on. Here we have the first numerical on our screen. Just now I've given you one property, small thing which I've told you to write, and we have a question right in front of us. NC8 is equals to NC2 and you have to calculate the value for NC2. Question clear? This and this is same, right? So what will be my value for N? We know if that property will write N is equals to A plus B. Do we all agree with this? Yes or no? Ish. Just give me 1 second, okay? No, it's okay. N is equals to A plus B. So what will be my value for A and 8 plus 2? 10. What you have to calculate now? Therefore, NC2 is equals to 10C2. Yes or no? What will be my answer? 10 into 9 by 2, 5. Are you getting 45? Yes or no? Acha, and one more thing, wherever you have written this property, na, you write one more property that NCA is equals to NCN minus A. ठीक है? This means basically that if you have 10C2, this can be written as 10C8 also. Okay, this minus this can be written as this. Is it clear? Yes or no? Please write this property also. If you have written this property, let me know. We'll move on to the numerical. Written? I hope people are not taking SS of what is going on in the class. We have the answer as 45. Everyone kindly confirm if we have this answer or not. Take your time and copy it down and pause the video. And people who are done with this, I'll pull up the second question in front of you. I'm pausing the video now. You'll kindly solve this question and tell me what you get the value for n. First thing which can be done out here is factorial 2n. By factorial 2n minus 3, and out here we can have factorial n minus 3 and factorial n. Anybody who is landed up doing this numerical? Sneha, Prashant, Prasiddha, Ankita, Norgema, Usha, Priyanka. Any Homo sapiens who's got the value for n? No one? No one. Moving on to the solution now. Is this part clear? We'll have to expand this thing. This thing will be written as 2n into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 and factorial 2n minus 3. This thing will get compromised with the denominator part, which is factorial 2n minus 3. Please confirm yes or no if this much is clear or not. And this one, the denominator part will expand till we go till n minus 3. Look very carefully. Excuse me. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into factorial n minus 3. Please confirm if this much is clear or not. This thing goes off. This thing goes off. Now I believe you can do it. Yes or no? N goes off. This is n minus 1. I'll take 2 common from here. We'll get n minus 1. So this will also go off, leaving behind 2. So we'll have basically 4 into 2n minus 1. And in the numerator we'll have n minus 2 is equals to 2n minus 1. I would expect you to tell me the value for n from here. Kindly tell me the value for n from here. Hurry up. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Some people they find it difficult that which one to go back. Okay, you'll have to go back whichever is bigger. Okay, and why we have to go back? Because from the denominator it will get compromised. Is it clear? N is equals to 5. How many else are getting the value for n as 5? No one. Only 3 people have told me. Only 3 humans have told me it's 5. Anyone else? Now kindly solve it. N value will be equals to 5. If you are done with this now, there's a second question waiting for you all. Here, kindly do it. Hurry up. I need the value for n from the second question as well. These two are very similar. Kindly tell me the value for n. Chito, fast. I'm pausing the video. I'm very bad. Itna time nahi lagta. We'll get the value for n as how much? Just the person was done that 6. Value for n is 6. Very good. Now can we start off with the word problems? Are we ready? The value for n is 6. We'll be starting off with our word problems. Can we start off? Yes or no? Chalo then. Without further ado, we'll start off. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? I hope you know the meaning of chords. Yes or no? This is my circle and this is my chord. Okay, they're asking you that there are 21 given points on this circle and how many ways you can draw chords. Okay, so for drawing a chord we need only 2 lines. Yes or no? Yes or no? What are the total number of available points? Total points are 21. Yes or no? And drawing of a chord, it basically, chord is a line, right? We require only 2 points to draw a line. Yes or no? So my total number of chords will be how much? Total number of chords will be NC2. Why NC2? Because 21 points and we have to select 2 points. अब select करने के बाद what will we do? We'll draw chords on that. That's it. Did everybody understand why is this 21C2? Yes or no? 21C2 basically shows that you have 21 given points and we are selecting 2 points. Now you can do whatever you want to do with these 2 points. Okay? Is it clear? Yes or no? Please write this line and this line. Don't write. There will be many chords as the combination of 21 points taken 2 at a time. Don't have to write this line so much, and then you go on to calculate the value. You'll be getting it as 210. Is it clear? Now there's a shortcut for solving this thing. 21C2. Now one formula you know, na? That you will write factorial 21 divided by factorial 2 and factorial 19. This is one formula. Yes or no? There's a other formula which is a shortcut to this. You will directly be writing this is 20C2, na? 21C2. Is everybody looking on the screen? 21C2 can be written as 21. दो बार पीछे जाओगे आप 21 and 20. Is it clear? And then denominator will go back till 1. Is it clear? This is my final answer. 210 direct. Okay. Supposing we have 10C2, what will we do? We'll go back 10 2 times and then 2 1 times. Is it clear? 45 is the answer. If we have 15C3, then what will we do? 15 will go back 3 times and then 3 into 2 into 1. Is it clear? Whatever the answer comes, this will be the answer. Is it clear? Yes or no? I would expect you all to copy this numerical properly and then solve it and tell me when it's done. Kindly take your time and do it. Acha, anybody is done? How many are done with the numerical? Is my screen visible? Give me 1 second. This has turned to basic mode now, so now is it visible? So question number 4, how many ways a team of 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected from 4 boys, 5 boys and 5 girls? So ways of selecting 3 boys, na? Ways of selecting 3 boys. How many boys are there? 5 boys is equal to 5C3, yes or no? Ways of selecting 3 girls will be 4C3, and now the condition is over, so what will we do? 5C3 into 4C3. Tell me the final answer. Is this clear? Yes or no? This is by principle of multiplication. 5C3 is 10 and 4C3 will be 4. Are we getting 40 as the answer? Has everybody understood this numerical? Yes or no?